Welcome back, my friend. You watching my YouTube channel, and today I want to provide information about how to make your computer run fast. Let's start how to make your computer run fast. A professional computer is one of the most powerful tool known as a to man. Its importance cannot be overemphasized and its application are limited. PC might be the best tool with great technology around because this technology is constantly evolving due to the complex nature to this technology. It might have unexpectedly sometime your PC may run slowly due to one reason of their computer. Before we talk about how to make your PC run faster, let's look the possible reason it could be running slowly. Low RAM. The RAM is a temporary storage for all current application running for the computer. It is also known as volatile memory. A PC or laptop must have a reduced random access memory. RAM is ordered to operate efficiently your computer, open application and all living for RAM. As RAM beginning of a deplete, your PC become overloaded, causing program to stutter, freeze or crash totally. The second part to prognosis uses without restart. PC is a machine that does not feel, it does not have emotional. However, this does not mean that the component do not treat it operationally. Limit prolonged uses without a restart can make the computer slow. This is mostly due to the fact that several programs operate in the background when you use your computer. When too many of these program background process has left running of the overheating. That's number one. Number 3 point overheating. When the computer cooling system has failed, it could make the computer run slower than usual. Computer are complex machine that generate a lot of heat, so failure of the cooling system could lead to attack in computer operation. Overheating can slow down performance in addition to computational, causing long-term harm to your computer circuit board and other part. Because to a safety feature known as thermal tutoring current, CPU is set up to automatically slow down as internal temperature rise. Number 4, virus of malware. Virus can appear in a variety of ways, such as random pop-up window or by secretly encrypting data. Additionally, malware that operate covertly in the background can be using your resource. Your computer will undoubtedly run more slowly if it has been infected with a virus or other harmful software. And number 5, outdated software. If one does not update software, outdated operating system and software do not have the recent update. These updates could include drivers, security patches, etc. Update bring in bug fixes and other components that are up to date with the latest requirement for what your computer need to run. And number 6, low hard drive space. Thought the hard drive is often the hard disk of a computer is frequently one of the main cases of poor performance. In addition, if the hard drive is maxed out, it could make the computer to crash. This is because there will not be any memory space left to load the operating system. And number 7, running too many applications at the same time. Your random access memory RAM is occupied in a certain extent by all open application and active program. If you have too many of them, one of once your computer will not have enough memory or processing capacity to switch between program or tab without any noticeable hiccup. And this is a hidden background processing. And there are many occasionally be applications using a significant amount of RAM and processing power in the background without your notice. These or be the background running application in a loop or program that's met an error but did not enter shut up. So that's end the video, and 9, 10, 11, and many further point I want to discuss in next video. Thank you friend.